So firstly, I wish you happy new year. Okay, and may this year brings all the success for all of you. Okay, so you all have some intention that you should get the certification, so you all are here, and I will do my best. Okay, so your effort should be there. And so am I audible? Firstly, audible, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, firstly, for this Jan batch, I just want to introduce myself. And I am Chandrika. I'm a working professional, and from the past 1 year, I have started training students for CPC. And apart from that, as you all know, that the complete last 1 year, I have made the CPC preparation batches. Every year, I have successfully completed 11 batches, and you all the 12th batch. This is January batch. So, as I said earlier, I will be covering all the CPT chapter wise important concepts. Okay, rest, like I'll be also covering billing and compliance and the basic things of anatomy, terminology, and ICD portion. I'll give a little bit on ICD overview, and I'll be giving you a practice paper and the notes as well. So that is up to you how you are going to practice, and whatever that is, rest is completely up to you. So whatever my job, I'll give 100%, and I'm going to teach properly. Okay, are we good? Okay. Okay, so just the past 1 year I have communicated with many students, right? So the one thing that I have understood, the thing is, there will be like two kind of students. Okay, generally, that I how I got to know all these things. Just I'm explaining, so don't take it as a preach. Just it can help you. Many of you are experienced, but few are freshers. Okay, they don't know how to tackle the scenarios, or how to practice, all those. So that I'm just explaining. So what I have noticed and what I have learned from the past 1 year with the communicating with students. So there are two kind of students. Okay, so few students will be like very eager to learn, like the moment paying fees. After that, they'll be keep on texting me, and will be in touch, and what is the topic for the today, what are the things that you're going to cover. And after the post session, they will be asking me notes. Anyway, I will be providing the notes and the practice paper, everything. But a few of them will actually see the notes, will actually go through the notes, and will actually practice the questions. If anything, if any doubts, they will let me know, why it is like this, or what is the concept with this question. Likewise, they will be communicating, and they will learn from me. Okay, and few students. Okay, this is a set of first students. There will be whatever, like as I said, this kind of first kind of students are basically, they will practice the practice paper after each session, and the middle 1 week gap will be there, no? So in that time, they will be practicing all this, and they will be understanding all the type of concepts, and they will be very thorough. Okay, and then they will ask for mock papers. They are going to complete mock paper, then they are going for exam. Okay, those are, they will definitely get 100%. I'm sure that they will pass. And other set of students, okay, they will just pay fees, and after that, they will behave like they exist in the group or not. Okay, they don't acknowledge anything. Whatever I say, they don't acknowledge, and then they don't attend class, and whatever. Okay, I don't know, they will view the paper, or they will go through the notes. No, I don't know. Okay, they don't communicate also. Finally, a month will be over, and after 2-3 months, okay, they will come back, and they will say, I was there in this batch, I had a question, something like that. Okay, so if you procrastinate, if you are joining for a batch, that batch the time you should give completely for yourself. Okay, you have the intention. The moment when you get enrolled to the class, the thing is, you should visualize that you already got a certification. Okay, that's why you are here to learn. And then when you visualize the thing, you are actually going to learn. Okay, so you have to take 2 months of time, and you have to be very focused, and you have to be very consistent with all the chapters. Chapter wise you have to practice, and then you have to go for mock, and you have to learn how to do this time management. And then once you start scoring above 80 or above 75 in the mock papers, then you can feel like you are confident enough to go for exam. Okay, so this practice should be there without having a, yeah, you if you have joined any institute before, you might have already known that what is happening in the market, what is happening around. They will be following some shortcuts without sharing a knowledge. They will be just giving you some important questions, and they will just make you pass. Okay, you will just pass. By now you will pass, but later on, once you start your future, or once you start your career in the medical coding field, without having a proper basic knowledge, you will stand out as a dumb. Okay, you will feel, you start feel that you will, once you follow the shortcuts and pass exam, later, as I have said, with the team you cannot handle. You will be feel stressed. But when you have the actual domain knowledge, you will stand out differently. Okay, so that is what I will be covering. What are the outpatient services are there? Okay, so just utilize the source and utilize my classes and learn. Okay, most of the freshers have joined my classes, and they have utilized all the things, that material and everything. They are able to pass the exam. Okay, so I promise you all that I will give my 100%. So rest is up to you. As every weekend you will be having in middle 1 week will be there. In that time, utilize the time and practice. Okay, go through the notes. If you have not understand anything, ask me. After 7 o'clock I will be responding all your doubts. Okay, so yeah, this is what I wanted to say. Good. Are we good? Shall we go to the topics? Actual? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so first today I'll be covering anesthesia, and I have planned to cover a little bit of integumentary, but I don't know how much I can cover. Okay, we'll see. We'll start with an anesthesia first, and we'll see how much I can today. So firstly, what are the how many marks this anesthesia carries? Somebody can tell me? 4 marks. 4 marks. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Paresh. 4 marks. Okay. So as we know, this anesthesia chapter is the smallest. Okay, a small chapter, but you can't take it for granted. Okay, as it is a small chapter, you might think like, anyway I have understood all the concept, that I can get full marks. You can get full marks, but it will be like a bit overconfidence. Always anesthesia questions will be tricky. Okay, so please go through all the concept that what I am going to cover today. Okay, so firstly we'll learn the general things. Okay, so firstly, anesthesia. What are the inclusive service? Okay, before that, everybody knows what is anesthesia, right? So I don't want to start from the scratch. Anesthesia, is everyone aware what is anesthesia? What are the types of anesthesia? What are the types of anesthesia?
It's like a general anesthesia.
General anesthesia, regional anesthesia, and local anesthesia. Okay, so general anesthesia means it is a complete body, and then yeah, and then regional will be a particular region, like for example abdomen. If they are doing operation on abdomen, they are going to numb the abdomen. That is regional. And local anesthesia will be like this dental, the small minor procedures. Okay, they will just numb the local areas. Okay, so all the basic please go through. If you want, I will provide that notes also. Later you can go through that. 1 minute, I'm going to share the screen. So is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you. So yes, see, I'm going to use 2023 PDF because the page number, the concept, everything I have noted down. For that I have kept so much time. 2024 there are no major changes. Only the changes is in ENM portion, that time the range they have removed and they have made it simple. That's it. Apart from that, if you have 2023 book, that is well and good. Do not invest for 2024 book, or don't go for that. Don't invest money on that. If you have 2023 PDF, if you don't have, ask me. I will provide the 2023 PDF. Okay, and also I have sent that what are the codes which have deleted or newly added. Just go through that 2024. That is more than enough. If any while explaining, if any 2024 updates are there, I will just tell you that. Okay. Okay, is screen visible, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So firstly, anesthesia,